y'all doing? It's your girl Missnaturalshay. Welcome or welcome back. I hope you are doing well. For my new viewers, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, chit chat down below, and also make sure that you turn your notification bell on so that you are notified each and every time that I post a video. And also make sure that you are sharing this video with any and everybody, okay? Because it's what? Free 99. All right, y'all, to my oldies but goodies, y'all know how I feel about y'all, okay? Yes. I love all of y'all, for real. All of y'all. All right, so we came to do a nice little haul, and today is Vlogmas Day number 19. Number 19, baby. 19. I can't believe it. We're almost at the finish line. Can you believe it? To me, it feels like the day's just been rolling, baby, rolling. But anywho, I hope y'all have been enjoying me putting out the videos every single day of Vlogmas. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this haul. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is what I got from Ollie's, and it is this refreshing watermelon air wick kit. And I got 2 of the plug-ins, and then I got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the, because I already have 1 going. So I got 2, 4, 6. Yes, I got 7 of the refills of the refreshing watermelon. And when I tell you it smells good, I got one right over there. I know you can't see it, but it's right behind this camera. And when I tell you, every time I come in this room, it just smells oh so good. I love the smell of watermelon. So I had to get this, and it was $13.99. And I also got a 15% off because I had the coupon of 15% off if you were a rewards member. So I made sure that I got this while I was using my 15% off. But yeah, the next thing I have is this. And if y'all seen previously in my product empties video, my huge product empties video, I had a couple of these empty bottles. And this came from Ollie's as well. It was $1.99. You can't beat that with a stick. Now, I think it's either 2 something or 3 something on Amazon. I want to say 3 something on Amazon. That's where I first started buying it. And then I seen it here. So I was like, let me go ahead and get it. Scoop it up at Ollie's. I do have a couple more down here in my bag. But this is the one on top because I actually went to Ollie's yesterday. I went to Ollie's yesterday. And I just grabbed it up. I almost grabbed them all, but I said, no, not this time, because I was in there just for a couple things. But anyway, y'all, let's just keep right on going. The next couple of things I am going to pull out are from Target. I really have stuff from all over for real. Okay, so, no, that came from Walmart. Okay. Matter of fact, while we're in here, these are the other 2 that I got. So I actually have 3 from Ollie's, all $1.99. Can't beat it with a stick. And Queen V, if y'all don't know, is an intimate feminine body wash. It's an intimate, it's a feminine intimate wash for your gingerbread. Okay, yeah. All right, so the next item that I got is actually from Target, and it was just a twin pack of the Fresh Dove deodorant. Yes, I love me some Dove deodorant. The next thing I got was a Scrub Daddy. I had to get this, and it's a limited edition. It's a what is that? Flex texture scrubber, but this one is a limited edition because it is in a snowflake. So I got this. We need this. It's called a winter scrubber. So needed this for our dishes. Then I had to get these 2 items, which is the Candy Cane body wash from Native and the Tree Hut Candy Cane body scrub. Yes, ma'am. Had to get these 2 products. Okay. Can't wait to use these 2 together so I can be smelling like a little peppermint. The next item that I have here is from Natrium, and it's the niacinamide cleansing jelly, and it's 3%. Goodness, I can't see that well because this light is like blinding me. But this is a cleansing jelly for your face. So I wanted to try this out. So I got the trial size or the fun size. And I just want to try this out. I heard great things about this. So I'm hoping that I will enjoy it. And if I do, I'll keep buying it. The next thing I got was just a filler, which is a sugar cookie, Vaseline. We can't go wrong with Vaseline. It's the winter months. We need Vaseline for these lips, boo. We need Vaseline for these elbows, for our, and the cracks of these fingers, all of that. The next item that I have is from Good Chemistry, and it is the Coffee Cloud Body Mist. I wanted to get the perfume, but I said, let me just go with the body mist first, and then if I really like it, then I will get the perfume. And this one has bergamot, espresso, and cedarwood. So let's smell it up. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. Coffee Cloud. I would definitely get the perfume, okay? Yes. I could see me pairing this with my... Hold on. Oh, it smells good, y'all. I could see myself pairing this with the coffee and whiskey. Oh, that's a good time. Or the bare vanilla. Good time. All right, y'all. So the next two items, I saw these on, I believe, TikTok. I'm sure it was TikTok. It could have been Instagram. But it's the Dove Limited Edition Body Scrub in the Hot Cocoa. And these are the biggest ones. Like, I didn't see nothing else. And these are a 3.5 ounce. Like, I mean, I know this will go quick, but I had to get 2 of them. And let's just bust it open to see what it smells like. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, it smells good. It smells like the hot cocoa and cream Bath & Body Works candle. It smells really nice, so I can't wait to tear this up, okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the next item is a turmeric and vitamin C face scrub, and I just got this from Amazon. I haven't used this yet, so I can't wait to try it out. Then I got this from Walmart, the Dr. Teal's the Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Scrub, and it's the shea butter and almond oil. And I got this to go with my Dr. Teal's Shea butter body oil. It just smells so good, and I can't wait to use this. I have not used this yet either, but I can't wait to use this. Then we have 2 packs. I got these from Walmart. 2 packs of the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Protein Packs. And when I take out my twists here, I will make sure that I'll be using these, because I'm sure I need some kind of treatment, you know, to put the moisture back into my hair. The next items that I have are also from Walmart, and I got the these are also their holiday treats. It's the body scrub for the peppermint bark, and to me it smells like an Andes mint. It smells really nice. I like this. And then I have the cinnamon pumpkin pie, and it smells really good. You can smell the cinnamon pumpkin, all that great stuff up in there. I can't wait to use these, y'all. When I tell you I've been holding on to this stuff, girl. The next item I have is a sugar cookie native. Listen, you gotta buy this. I'm gonna tell you. I ain't even used it yet, but I'm gonna tell you right now, just for the scent. If you're a gourmand person, you need this in your life. Sugar cookie. I love me some native body washes anyway. So yes, try this. The next items that I have, I got this from Ollie's, and it is the Febreze Small Spaces, and I got it in Mountain, and this was $2.49, and then I got a 15% off as well. This one right here is Cozy Comfort. It's soft cashmere and mahogany body cream. I'm not sure how good it's gonna be, like how long lasting it will be for my skin. But it's from Scent Theory, and I have had Scent Theory hand washes, but I never had their body cream, so I'm hoping that this will be bomb. It says the fragrance notes is soft cashmere, fresh mahogany, and brisk musk. Okay, cashmere, mahogany, musk, y'all know all of those are up my alley. Okay, so that's why I got it. So yeah, the next item I got is another small space, and this is in watermelon, and it was from Ollie's for $2.29, and I got 15% off. Then I got this from Walmart, which is, I wanted to try the sugar cookie native deodorant. I haven't used native deodorant in a long time. The last one I used, I believe, was the coconut vanilla one. And this is just something I want to keep in my purse. And it smells really nice. It smells like the sugar cookie. So yeah, got that. And then I got Dove Nurse Secrets vanilla and cocoa butter deodorant spray, and this was $4.99, and then I got 15% off as well. Then I got a Febreze Air Mist in April Fresh, and it was $2.29, and I did get 15% off of this as well. And it's just some nice room spray. I love this. I've had this before and I enjoy it. Then I saw these, boo. I saw these and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna grab them up. From Mix Bar, and I had to get 2 of them. Why? Y'all know how I be. Y'all know. This one is in the Wood Elixir, and it's a hair and body spray, and they were $1.99. Mix Bar? $1.99. These cost like $10 or so at Target. So $1.99. Hello, how you doing? So let's spray it up real quick. I need the, what was it that I sprayed earlier? Oh, the Coffee Cloud, boo, from Good Chemistry. Move to the left, baby. Move to the left. Let's spray the Wood Elixir from Mix Bar. It's a nice little smell. Now, it's not like what I expected it to be. But I mean, for $1.99, even if I don't use it for a body spray, I will definitely use it for a room spray. And you can't beat that with a stick. But it does smell good. I'm not gonna... It smells good. I'm just like on a fence of should I use it for a body spray or should I use it for a room spray. But either way, it smells really good. And yeah, got these. I picked up some Oral-B floss picks, and they're in the caramel mint. Girl, they're in the they're in the charcoal mint. And it's just some flossers, and they were $129 plus I got 15% off of these. Then I saw this, and it's Old Spice Gentleman's Blend Coffee and Amber Scent. And it was $3.49 at Ollie's, and I got 15% off of this as well. And I was thinking, I'm gonna use this for my body wash. It says 0 phthalates, parabens, or dyes. And I was like, coffee and amber scent, it's pretty strong, but I think it's gonna really hit different when I get up in that shower and scrub it up dub with my African net. Okay, I think it's gonna be really good for me. And then y'all, my last 3 items are soaps, and I got them from Ollie's. So as y'all can see, that's empty. I got the limited edition from Dial. It's the Fireside Crackle. It was $1.79, so I got this one. It's a foaming antibacterial soap. And then I got the ice crystals. And I got the Midnight Toast. So, yeah, y'all. That is my haul of my body care and, well, body care, hygiene, and home care items that I picked up from all of those places: Target, Walmart, and Ollie's. Yeah, y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Chit chat down below. Share. Make sure you're subscribed. And I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. I can't wait. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Peace.